today offer anything better? Shefali's got the forecast.
Slightly better, yes. Thank you very much, Becky. Hello, good afternoon to you. Well, it's a cracking start to the day. Most of the region enveloped in this golden glow. A lovely sunrise here over the Staffordshire moorlands in Leek. And we've got another picture here from the city, Edgbaston, and it's looking fairly dry as well. We've had plenty of that dry weather about across much of the region this morning due to the fact we're sandwiched in between two systems and we've got this ridge of high pressure growing from the south. But we're going to be affected by another area of low pressure that moves in by the time we get to tomorrow, and for that we have a warning in place for between 30 to 40 millimetres of rain falling in the worst case scenarios. But it is going to be heavy from 9 o'clock tomorrow morning until about 11 o'clock midnight on Friday. So a lot of heavy rain to come through Shropshire. This is not for the rest of the region, this warning, just Shropshire, but there is plenty of wet weather to come and windy weather as well. We've got gusty conditions. We've got gusts of around 30 to 40 miles per hour across the region, some sharp showers, some prolonged periods of rain from some of those, and even the odd rumble of thunder. But those start to die out first thing tonight with clear spells, and then we start to see that area of cloud and rain moving in by the time we get to tomorrow with top temperatures of 14, so it's slightly milder.
Thanks very much, Shefali. That's all from us. Mary Rose will be back at 6:30. Bye.
To tell us of what strong winds, rain and all that kind of stuff.
All sorts of things, all that jazz, yes. They didn't look particularly scary though, did they, those monsters? Yes, we've got plenty of time to talk about rain, but let's concentrate first of all on the sunshine, which we had lots of today, the length and breadth of the region. That was initially, and then we saw a scattering of showers developing mostly across the south and west of the region. Some of those were quite feisty, but they have since died out. But they will re-emerge, probably in the form of rain actually tomorrow, and there is of course a difference between rain and showers, but a combination of those through the week. This warning is in place from 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, runs until the end of Friday. It's for Shropshire at the moment, just Shropshire, but we could get between 30 to 40 millimetres of rain in the worst case scenario, which will lead to some localised flooding. But there will be a belt of rain heading through the region fairly soon. This is it. It's a warm front followed by a cold front, and because of that, tucked in between, we've got quite mild air. So temperatures at least are in recovery. They're on the rise, but not tonight. Tonight they're falling away under these clearer skies to single figures of around 5 to 6 Celsius. And waiting in the wings, we have that band of rain. So the cloud just starting to nudge into western and central parts of the region towards the end of the night. And then we start to see that rain moving through during the morning. So it's going to be very heavy in places, prolonged as well, but then it starts to shift eastwards. And by the time we get to the end of the day, we're left with a lot of cloud and some showers, but mostly dry conditions. And those values you can see 13 to 15 Celsius, slightly above average in the south of the region, but of course coupled with those fairly blustery, battering winds, it is going to feel colder than that. But quite a warm feel to things, I think, tomorrow. And then notice those temperatures overnight tomorrow night. They're fractionally lower. In fact, we could see lows of just 14 Celsius in the south of the region. Really, it's worth getting out and about, even though it is raining, just to feel that. But the cloud and the rain starting to increase from the west as we head into Friday, with another belt of rain passing through on Friday. But again, drying up by the afternoon, and top temperatures of 16, 17.
Doesn't look very jolly, does it, Chef? Thanks very much. And that's all from the Middle Today team for now. I'll be back with your late update at 10:30. Have a good evening. Bye for now.